In this video, I will show you how to set a meeting in Google Calendar. So I'll show you how to create a meeting, choose the date and time, how to add guests, and of course include all the important details so everyone knows when and where the meeting will take place. This is useful for scheduling work meetings, online calls, appointments, classes, or events without having to manually remind everyone. If this tutorial does help you out today, please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more Google Calendar tutorials, productivity tips, and simple tech guides. Now, to get started with this, what you want to do first is, of course, come across to your Google Calendar. So if you open up a new internet browser, come across to calendar.google.com, and once you've done that, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that you want to set up the meeting for. To actually go ahead and set a meeting, what you want to do is come and click onto the Create button up in the top left-hand corner, and then select the Event option from the drop-down menu that appears. What that's going to do is open a window like this. What you can do first is add a title. So I'm going to call this Example Meeting, and then what you can do is set the time and date. So if you come and click here, it's going to open up the calendar, and you can set your date from here. So let's go for 10 o'clock. You can see when we do this, it's going to add it to our Google Calendar as well, and we can choose the time as well. So for example, let's go from 1:30 p.m. until 2:30 p.m. Now, once that's done, you can come and click onto Add Guests, and then you can type the email for the people that you want to add to this meeting. You can also scroll down and set the guest permissions. So if you click here, you can choose whether you want them to modify the event, invite others, or see the guest list. And once that's done, what you can do is going to generate a Google Meet link. So this is essentially your meeting link. Now, if you click onto the settings button here where it says video call options, you can go ahead and set the settings for the video Google Meet call. So for example, if you come down to meeting access, you can choose whether people can join without asking if they're invited using their Google accounts, which means that basically anyone can dial in by phone, or you can set it to open if you want people to just join without asking to join in. You can also allow other things like people to share their screen, things like that. So once you've done all that, just come and click save at the bottom, and then you can add some further details such as the location and the description. Now, next to the Google Meet video link, you're going to notice the copy conference info button here. Give that a click, and that's going to copy it to your clipboard. So for example, if I open up a notepad and paste that, you can see all the details of the meeting here, including the time and the meeting link. Now, once you're happy with everything, just come and click save at the bottom, and it's going to ask if you would like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests. So what you want to do is click on to send, which is going to send the invite links out, and you can see the meeting has now been added to our Google Calendar as well. And that is how to set a meeting in Google Calendar. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google Calendar and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.